How to use Google Doc on phone. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To use a Google Doc on phone, firstly check out your Play Store. In your Play Store, make sure you have installed your Google Doc and it is up to date. Tap on the Open button. Now right here, you'll find all of the document if you have created any. If you are new to it, first and foremost, the use of the Google Doc is primarily editing the document. So if you want to create a brand new file, you can just tap on the plus sign icon and tap on New Document. If you are looking forward to create resume, essays or covers, you can just tap on Choose Template. From here, you can select on the sample or templates according to your wish and edit according to your preference. Now, it is also handy when it comes to real-time editing. If you're working on group and you need the real-time editing, commenting, and sharing, what you can do is you can just open up the document. Then at the top, you will see this plus sign icon right here. You can click on it. Then you can add people or groups. Then they can collaborate in the particular file and help you edit the document in real time. So these are some of the use of Google Doc. Hopefully you found this video informative and helpful to you, and thank you so much for tuning in. We will see you very soon.